Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing into the Google account you want synced. Open Gmail and tap your profile icon to confirm the active account. Once signed in, make sure your device is online and the Gmail app is up to date, because versions affect settings. Next, grant any required Google Play services permissions when prompted so sync can run in the background. After these first steps, you're ready to access the account sync controls inside Settings. Navigate to Settings, then Accounts, pick Google and tap the specific account you signed into. This is where Granular Sync toggles live. Turn on the Gmail toggle so Mail syncs automatically, and enable Contacts, Calendar, and Drive if you want broader sync. Also check background data and battery optimization. Disable aggressive battery restrictions for Gmail so push sync isn't delayed. Once these options are configured, Android or iOS will begin syncing messages automatically. Finish by opening Gmail and pulling down to force a sync. You should see new messages load. Then verify sync status in Settings under the Google account and in the Gmail app sync status. This confirms push is active. If mail doesn't arrive, clear the app cache, restart the device, and re-add the Google account. These steps often resolve token or permission errors. If a persistent sync error shows, check that two-step verification or app passwords aren't blocking access before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.